Not sure if anybody's ever done a grocery delivery before. We do it all the time. My wife just ordered some groceries. I'm putting them up, and I'm starting to think I'm going crazy after I put not one, not two, not three bags of, oh wait, hold on. Not four, but 5 bags of green seedless grapes into our fridge. I don't think she's ever ordered grapes before. I don't even know if she knows what a grape is. I don't know if they were out of grape juice and she's like, you know what, we'll just kick it old school, make our own. But I'm definitely bringing her in for questioning. That's for sure. So stay tuned for that.